In this problem, we have a guy who is considering using a couple of venues for some kind of party. And we need to figure out how many guests he could have at his party. So our problem says that there's a hotel in Arcadia, which is $400 for a reservation, plus $30 per person. So if I'm writing an equation here, I would say that $30 per person is our slope because it's a rate. And then my $400 is our y-intercept, or our cost without any people. And then it says that a restaurant in the same city will cost $10 per person in addition to $800 for the reservation. So again, it's giving us the $10 per person, which is our rate, plus the $800, which is the cost of the reservation. So it says, in order to make the best decision, Felix figures out how many guests it would take to have the venues cost the same amount. How many guests would that be? All right, so our guests is our x value. All right, our x is the number of guests, and the y value is the cost of the venue. So what I need to do is use this system of equations to solve for x. Now I can use either substitution or elimination. In this case, I'm just going to go ahead and substitute. So I'm going to take the orange equation and the blue equation and set them equal to each other because they're both equal to y. Alright, and then now my goal is to get all of the x's by themselves on one side of the equation. So I'm going to subtract 10x from each side. So I get that 800 is equal to 20x plus 400. I'm going to move all the constants to the other side of the equal sign by subtracting the 400 over. So I get that 400 is equal to 20x. And then I'm going to go ahead and divide both sides of the equal sign by 20. So 400 divided by 20 is 20 for my value of x. So my answer here is 20 guests.